welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we are going to be playing Last to Leave Rooney's Truck, because we stole Rooney's truck and he is not here, so we're gonna play Last to Leave his truck.
And to make things a little more interesting, the last one to leave wins $100. So who wants it?
Me! Oh, I want it.
I want it.
I really want that $100. You guys ready?
I think I'm ready.
Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ouch.
You made it, Mom.
I think I'm ready. We'll see if I can stay on and not fall off or something.
Do you want the $100?
I think I do. Should I get the $100?
You should.
Okay.
And then give it to me.
All right, cool.
I'm so excited. I really want that $100 bill because I don't have that much money.
I think this $500 is easily mine. It's so easy for me to do this. So I can win these challenges. I can stay in the truck. This is my money.
Just keep on saying that to yourself, Dad.
Okay guys, so we've been in the truck for a little while and we're getting a little anxious. And so we think we're ready for our first challenge. We've got a few balloons in here now. And inside each one of the balloons is a little piece of paper with an emoji on it. And so we're each gonna have to pick a balloon and we'll each pop it one at a time, and whoever's balloon has a frowny face on it, they are eliminated. All right guys, everybody pick their favorite balloon.
I'm gonna pick this blue one because it's right in front of me.
All right, Emma, let's see you pop that.
Woo! I got a smiley face.
I guess I'll just pick this. Now let's find a way how to just pop this.
Don't use your teeth.
Okay, I've got a big hole in it and let's rip it open. I'm still in! It is a smiley face! Oh, phew, I was scared for a second.
Someone has to get out.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes and pick a balloon. This one, ready? And I am a happy man.
I'm gonna go with blue. I think I choose a blue one. Okay. I don't know the best way. I like Jonah's way. I think I'll pop it Jonah's way. Popped in my face. Oh no! It went off.
No, it didn't.
Oh, I'm like, then we have to get off the truck. Oh! Oh, I am safe! Yay! We gotta go one more round. Everybody pick a balloon again.
Black.
Ooh.
The good. Ah!
Figure out how to make that balloon pop.
Why won't you just?
Yum, yum, yum.
Oh.
Oh, there it went. Let's see what it is.
I'm still in.
Okay, so I'm gonna do a pink one because that last pink one helped.
Oh, what do we get? What do we get?
I got a smiley face.
So far, so good.
Okay,
Still
Dad.
Okay. I'm gonna reach over here. I'm
Pink?
going with pink as well. Ready?
Don't do that.
Set.
I don't think I can do it.
Happy face again.
Oh, I'm just gonna take the bottle opener, and I'm just gonna go for one. All right.
Two.
This is it. Oh. Oh no, guys, no! We just started the game. I feel like we just started, and I am off the truck. I am out of the truck. Oh.
Okay, so challenge 1 is over. Mom the Bomb has been eliminated.
And now we're gonna start challenge 2. So, there are 6 Easter eggs hidden in the truck or around it, and we have to get those eggs and open them up. You guys ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Let's get finding. It's hard because I can't.
Yeah.
Leave the truck. Open up, please. Okay, I'm gonna have to try to do this the whole way. I'm gonna kill myself. Don't do this at home.
Whoops. Dad, don't do this out.
Here I go. Oh my gosh, there's balloons in here.
I'm gonna try looking in here. If I can. I'm trapped. Ah! Don't try this at home. Follow.
I got one. Oh, right there. Okay.
What's inside it?
Okay.
No way, how'd he find them?
I think I know where another one is.
I'm not gonna get off, but I might. Don't get off. Ah! I tripped.
While I was down here, I was looking around, and I see one over here. I think I got one. Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay. This will be a good one. This one should be lucky.
But I cannot find any Easter eggs. And now, wait.
Did they hide the eggs before we started it? Cause then we're in trouble. Cause we can't get off.
Oh, I found it! I found an Easter egg! Let me grab it.
Hello.
I've got one Easter egg.
I can't find any. If I can't find any, does that mean I have to leave? I just don't want to leave. Does that mean I do have to leave?
No, babe, it doesn't.
It doesn't?
No.
If you can't find any?
You'll find him. Keep looking.
I think I know where one is. I found one!
Why did I not see that one? I think I found it!
Wait, where?
Guys, look down here. What is that? It's an Easter egg.
Wait, is there any
Oh yeah! I've got two now.
Is there any more eggs?
There's one more.
It's in his pocket.
Is it behind you?
Nope.
Ah! Do you know how to open this?
You have to twist it. And the other side.
I found two, yeah.
Now let's open up our eggs and see what numbers we've got.
3. A 5.
Okay. I got a 4. And a 2. So that means I've got 2 or 4. If any of us roll a 2 or 4, that means I'm out.
That leaves me with 6. Oh, shoot. 1. I was trying to guess correctly. And 6. Okay. So those are my magic numbers that I do not want to roll. Okay, so now we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors to see who gets to roll, to see who's getting out.
On shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2 out of 3.
2 out of 3.
Uh-huh.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh crap.
Okay, Jonah's out, and it's now just me and you, Emma. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh!
Emma gets
I
to
got
roll.
the roll. Whoa!
No! Not the one! I'm out.
You are out. I'm still in.
I
Emma's
have
still
to
in.
leave the truck.
Bye bye.
Dun dun dun.
I've lost my money.
You should leave the truck.
But I don't want to. I want money. But are you fun if we make a deal?
Maybe. What's the deal?
I'll give you all my money if you just take a step out of the truck.
How much money do you have?
50.
$50?
Uh-huh.
Should I take $50 or should I get a whole 100? I'll pass. But how about you? Will you take a step out of the truck if I give you lots and lots of candy? All the candy you want.
Like how much?
As much as you want.
That would be nice, but you can spend money on candy. Yeah, well, I'm keeping.
You're saying no candy for you? Well, let's just get back to the next challenge. Okay, guys, now it's time for challenge 3. And here are the rules. Me and Emma, we're gonna go. We have 10 seconds to go around the truck and touch one of the parts of the truck that is on the wiggle wheel. And if we spin it and it lands on what we're touching, then that person is eliminated and the other one wins the money. You ready, Emma?
Yeah.
Let's start this challenge.
Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Wait, is this on it?
5, 4,
Is
3,
Touch this, or you can touch one of these.
and 1. Time's up.
I'm touching it with my foot. I'm safe. I
Okay.
barely made it.
Jonah's got the steering wheel. Emma's got the headlight.
I hope it's not the steering wheel. I hope it's the headlights.
Is this a headlight?
Nope.
I hope the wiggle wheel doesn't spin headlights. I hope it spins steering wheel.
Back seat. Okay, so you have
my.
10 more seconds if you want to change your spots. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I almost slipped there. Got the back bumper.
What are you touching?
Headlights.
Oh. Okay, good. All right, Emma's got the headlights.
Oh boy. Steering wheel. That was a close one.
Jonah should have stayed there so I could get money.
Oh, this challenge is scaring me a lot.
All right, let's do this again. They have 10 more seconds to find another spot on the truck. Ready? Counting down. 10,
I don't know where to go.
9,
Dash!
8,
Hey, where are you going, Emma?
7,
I don't know.
6,
I don't know.
5,
I don't know.
4,
What am I
2,
doing? Oh no!
1.
I'm on!
What are you on?
Bumper.
All right, Emma's touching the bumper.
Barely made. I had no idea where I was going. I had nothing planned.
Bumper or roof? Who's our loser gonna be?
Oh no, I'm so scared. Oh! Oh!
Headlights.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
Right in between bumper and roof.
Oh,
10 more seconds. Let's
no.
count them down.
where am I going?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
No.
5,
Where am I going? I'll go on the.
4,
Oops, I'm sliding.
3,
Oh no!
2, 1. Emma's got the roof.
I actually did okay finding my spot this time.
Jonah's got the headlight. Ready?
What could it be? What could it be?
Roof!
No way! No!
No!
Oh my goodness. Wow. I won. I won this challenge. Oh, I just won $100. Oh, this feels nice.
The official $100 bill. Here you go.
I thought I was gonna win. Since Jonah was safe on the roof, I went on the roof, and cause I didn't have enough time, and so I'm out.
You did really good, Emma. I'm very proud of you. You got farther than Mom and Dad.
Well, I guess I have to go out.
And now it's time for me, the last one on the truck, to go off. I have officially won. Woo! Winner!
All right, guys, thanks for watching this video of Last to Leave the Truck. We had some crazy challenges and we had some good winners. So who wants to win next time?
Me.
All right, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and keep wiggling.
Stay wiggling!